Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the first app you want to use in split screen. Make sure your iPhone 15 Pro Max is updated. Once done, swipe up slowly to reveal the dock and drag the second app toward the screen edge. You do this because dragging creates a multitasking overlay that pairs apps. Make sure the second app supports multitasking, otherwise it won't snap. This step sets the foundation. Get both apps visible before moving to the detailed layout controls. Once both apps are visible, drag the second app from the dock to either side of the screen to form split view. You'll see a thin divider appear. Then adjust the divider to resize the panes, drag toward one app for a 70/30 split or center it for 50/50. This controls focus and workspace. If you need to swap apps, tap the divider and drag quickly. This is faster than closing and reopening. These actions let you balance tasks and ergonomics efficiently. To finish, drag the divider all the way to an edge to return to a single app, or tap the center divider to choose which app fills the screen. If something goes wrong, force quit an app from the app switcher and reopen it. This often resolves snapping or gesture issues. Also check settings for Stage Manager or multitasking toggles. One troubleshooting tip: restart the phone if gestures remain unresponsive. This clears temporary state and restores normal split screen behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.